I want to tell you why Spryn exists. It is not going to be the marketing version or a sales pitch, but basically I will try to tell you what I went through, how my team was handling our projects, and what pushed our team, our company, to build something that actually matter for the small development team like us. It can be embarrassing, but this is the truth. See, we build software for our clients. Furden is a software company which started in 2014. We build software for our clients and for our products. By the time this problem started becoming huge and started bothering our team, and our team grew from 4 to 5 to up to 20 to 25 members, and even experienced developers, people who knew what they were doing. We ran sprints properly, 2 week sprint planning session, Jira boards, daily stand-ups, retrospectives. All these activities were being done properly. But everything was looking organized only on paper. On practical, nothing was being executed. We were not able to meet the deadlines, and most of the time people were being asked, were being questioned that why so and so deadline is not being met, why clients are unhappy, why clients are complaining that we are not meeting our deadlines, even after complete following all the process of the scrum. Then together as a team we sat down, we tried to discuss what is the most important thing for a small development team like us. It is the time. And that most important thing, time, was being spent on not more on the actual development work, but more on the planning work, on the Jira. Our team was busy more on managing the Jira and creating reports, analyzing it, so and so on. So we thought, we are a product company, we know how to make software. Why not build something which really matters to us, which can help us to meet those deadlines and also save time on unnecessary meetings, unnecessary stand-ups, tool which actually designed just for the small development teams like we have. So when we decided that we are going to make a tool for this, we started asking ourselves what should be the most important things which we want in that software. In today's AI time, should help us to save that time, not just creating, auto-generating the issue descriptions and subtasks. It should be more than that. The software should be intelligent enough that if I open my dashboard, it should tell immediately that what should be my today's attention, where should I focus my time. If I am running a sprint and it's the stand-up time, without even discussing with my team, I should be able to know what is the current status, which person is working on which, and which issue is blocked by so and so person, so that instead of playing the blame game, we should do the execution work, resolve the issue and get on the execution. Being a small team, we don't have that much time that we are just discussing who is responsible for that issue, why they are not doing it. No, software tool should be intelligent enough that it should give me a complete clarity, and when the sprint ends, it should tell me what went wrong, what went good, and what can be actionable steps which should I take care for the upcoming sprints, and it should learn with every sprint, the tool. So we shortlisted all these points, we wrote it on our Notion document, and then we start building with it. And then we created our first MVP, which is AI assisted. Of course, we don't have that much time to build that tool ourselves from scratch. We took the help of AI. Of course, the prompts and the guidance was from our senior engineers and myself. So we built a tool with the help of all those tools, and our first version was ready to use in just 3 weeks, completely tested. So we onboarded that tool, replaced it with Jira. Of course, we gave the import from Jira feature in it so that we don't have to spend that much time to rewrite those issues. We gave Jira, Asana, CSV import, all that. Also GitHub and GitLab integrations also, so that we can track what is happening on our Git repositories. So we replaced our Jira tool with the new tool and spent more than 2 months on that tool, and we keep taking on the feedback from our Scrum Masters and the team that what can be improved, what are the bugs. And after working on the tool for more than 2 months, it is now ready to use for the public. Like our other products, we thought This tool is so useful. Every small development team should have it. They should not spend that much time in just managing the Jira, overpaying the cost, because cost really matters for the small teams. They should save cost on it. For that, we built it self-hosted version of our sprint planning tools. It is very important that your tool, if your tool is on your own server, you will have your own data. Also, it saves the cost. Very important. Plus, of course, saves the time also when you are managing your projects on our tool. See, I have been building software for last 12 years, and I know what founders feel when their projects get delayed due to some tool which they are actually paying for, and how difficult it is to manage your team, and how difficult it is to have the conversations about the project deadline. So to reduce that stress and reduce that friction, we built this tool specifically for the small development team who run sprints on tools like Jira or Linear. This is for them, and I really need your feedback on this, like what can be more done to our product so that it creates more value. I really want all of you to please try this tool. I have also posted a complete walkthrough of our product on this channel. Please give your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I am going to see you in the next video.